Before we create our objects, we have to understand Maya project. By default, Maya has a project in My Documents. Let's see where it is. We can go to File and choose Project window, and this would show us the default location of the current project, which is actually inside My Documents, Maya and Projects. So let's go ahead and check this folder. If I go to my computer, access to Documents, Maya, Projects, Default. So this is the Maya's default project. Now, if you like to keep it here, you can keep it here. If you like to work on the same project, you can do that. You can save all your Maya files, which will be saved inside your scenes folder, and your textures or pictures that you're going to use will be saved inside the source images folder, and any images that you render out will be saved inside images folder, and the Playblast small videos, tiny videos that you create will be saved inside your movies folder, and so on and so forth. But I strongly recommend that you create a project for yourself in a different location other than My Documents. I always prefer to create my Maya project inside my D drive. So if I go to my D drive, I currently have just two folders. One is a backup and the other one is a desktop. I'm going to create my Maya project in this location. For creating a new project, we can go to File, Project window, and up here we have to click New. So now we can give a new name for our project. So I'm going to call this My Maya Project. I'm going to navigate the location to my D drive. So I'll go to my computer, D drive, and I'm going to say select. So inside my D drive, I'm going to have a Maya project by the name My Maya Project. And these are the different folders that Maya will be creating inside this project folder. So for my scenes, it's going to be saved inside scenes. And then we have a lot of other things like images, source images, and so on and so forth. So once we set all these folders, let's hit accept. Now let's go to our folder and see what has happened. If I go back to my D drive, you can see that there's a new folder by the name My Maya Project. So if I double click on that, you can see that we have all these folders created by Maya for us. And if I check my scenes folder, for example, it's empty right now because there's no scenes. Let's minimize this. And if I go to open file, for example, it would automatically navigate to my scenes folder inside the current project that I have set. Great. And if I save a file also, it will go back to the same location, which is wonderful. This is how we can set Maya project so that from now on, whatever kind of work that we are going to do will be saved inside our Maya project. Now keep in mind, if you're taking your files to a different computer, you will have to set the project to the location of your Maya project in order for the Maya file to automatically pick up your textures and other files that are connected to this Maya file. To do that, we can go to File and choose Set Project and choose your project name and hit Set. This is just a one-time process that you have to do if you're working in the same computer. If you're taking your files to another computer, every time you change your computer, you will have to set project. And this concludes the video on Maya projects.